In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to shift your territory label from one portion of a territory to the second largest non-contiguous area of that territory. Now, you can't simply click and drag a territory label. The territory label is always centered in the largest mass of that territory. If you have non-contiguous parts of that territory, you can then move and shift that label to those non-contiguous sections. This most often happens in the Alaska-Seattle territory, because most companies have Seattle and Alaska in the same territory. And you'll notice right away that there is no territory label here in Seattle. And that's because the territory label is actually hovering over the center of Alaska, and it's right there, because Alaska is the largest landmass of that territory. So if we want to shift that label to appear in Seattle, you would simply right-click on Seattle, and then click on the Properties button right here, and then you click on Set Clicked. As you do that, you will see that that label is now shifted to appear in Seattle. And it's also showing you right here that it's in label in part 2. So it's showing you the label in the second largest landmass of that territory. You can do this also for areas like Hawaii and Puerto Rico if they're connected to the continental US. If you have smaller portions of a territory, so let's make an example over here, and let's zoom out a little bit, and I will make a portion of this Montana-Idaho territory here in Wyoming, and I'll simply create a little section like that. And you can see it's a non-contiguous area, and I'd like to have that label appear in this little portion here. To do that, you right-click on that area, click on Properties, and then you can click on Set Clicked, and that label will now shift to that non-contiguous area. Then you click OK, and that change has been made. And there you go. You've just learned how to move your sales territory labels from one area of a territory to another non-contiguous portion of that same territory.